How to reset MetaMask account. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset the account. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right bottom, you can see the settings icon. Tap on settings. So here in your settings interface, here on the third option, you'll be able to see the option called advanced. Tap on advanced. So this is the section where you can completely reset your account. Here on the top, you'll be able to see the option called reset account. Simply tap on reset account. So make sure that you want to reset your account. This will remove all the stocks and all the charts that you have saved in the account. So make sure you want to reset it and simply tap on yes reset. So it will take some time and the whole application will restart and your account is all reset. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.